tickets have already been sold.
The Meghalaya Board of School Education, MBOS, will introduce 2 secondary school leaving certificate SSLC board examination per year starting the 2024-25 academic session. The first exam will take place in February-March 2025, followed by a supplementary exam in May 2025. This change aims to prevent students from losing an entire year due to exam gaps. From the 2025-26 session, the main exam will be held in December with the supplementary in February-March. Starting the 2026-27 session, students will need to pass all 6 subjects as there will be no optional subjects.
Certificate examination 2011, where there will be 2 board examination in an academic year. One will be for the main examination, and if any fail students, they will be given opportunity to write again after a gap of 2 months within month of May, so that all failed candidates can be reappeared for the board in the class 10